See, we are going to have a meeting on Monday immediately after the assembly session under the chairmanship of our Honorable Chief Minister, along with the GOC and all the correlated department, and we will sit down, we will work out the system where ultimately the intention of the government is to widen the road from Rilbong up to Barik. So therefore I can't say right now anything, but of course the discussion has already taken place between the defenced land and the state government, as well as with the NSSL, where we would like to impress upon, in case if we cannot construct the flyover, we can convert it into full lane. So right now I don't say anything much. Let the meeting be held on Monday, and then we will take a final call.